Alright, so this is another episode of Cheat Code. You gotta mind us, man, because we done polished off a bottle of Herdez. So it's gonna be a lot of bloopers in this motherfucker, man. But this is something that my mama used to make. She used to do it a little bit different. She used to make it with steak. So it'd be chicken, shrimp, steak. She did it a little bit different, but you know, I like hot links and shit, nigga. So I just throw the shit in there or whatever. But this is one of them ones that's real quick, simple, easy for y'all to make, you know, and it tastes good than a motherfucker, man. So go ahead, you know, follow the steps. You know what I'm saying? We was fucked up, but follow the steps, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead and get y'all eat on, man. You know what I mean? Need a cheat code. Yeah, just straight like that. Okay, so today on Cheat Code, we here with my brother Q G's, Soul Slap G's, Kerjack the motherfucking kid. You know what I mean? We gonna make some shit that my mama used to make. It ain't really no name for the shit, but it's something like a stir fry, whatever. But it's good to the motherfucker though, so we gonna get to that, nigga. Alright, so the first thing we gonna do is bust the chicken open and wash it. This episode of Cheat Code is sponsored by Herdez. Alright, the chicken is washed and clean. So now we gonna get into busting on this onion real quick. So first what you wanna do is just cut off the ends. That's one end. Remember I told you how to hold it, bro. Like how to hold the knife. Alright, so people, when you hold your knife, you wanna grab it like this. And then you can keep the point down, and then it's easier for you to chop.
Point down?
Point down.
Well, he already gone, so he gone.
Yeah, don't really matter. Yeah. So you cut off both ends already?
Yeah, we good.
Stand it up on the flat end. Yeah, now cut it in half.
This way?
No, stand it up.
This way?
Yeah, now cut it in half.
Okay.
Now the first layer, see your onion? This first layer, just peel that off. It's gonna peel all the rest of it off. Yeah, you losing a piece of onion, but it don't really matter. The whole piece. This whole piece right here, just peel it off.
This?
Bam.
Oh.
You see what I'm saying? Now do that with this. Do that with the other one.
This guy?
Bam. All right, boom. Down. Cut them in half again.
This way?
Don't really even matter. Now cut him in half again. Alright, you still not holding it right, bro. Hold the knife right, bro. Bro, I'll beat your ass, nigga.
Ain't nobody beat my ass, bro. But,
This episode of Cheat Code is sponsored by Herdez. So after I whoop this nigga ass, this shit is now in the bowl.
if you know somebody that whooped my ass, let me know.
Alright, so now what we gonna do is just cut those chicken breasts into little cubes. You can really cut them as big or as small as you want. But for this meal, it's a little bit better if you cut them a little smaller. Alright, bam, people. So you see we got chicken cut up. Got the onions right here. We still fucking with Uncle Ben. Now we about to get into the seasoning a little bit. It don't really take too much seasoning or whatever, because you see this is Herdez. Yeah, him right here. He gonna do the rest. All right, bro, grab the chicken. We'll take it over here. Put it in there. There you go. throw a little bit of that garlic olive oil on there. You know, just make sure we get a nice, good coating. All right, there we go. And then we ain't working with a bunch of seasonings, but we all work with these two. Garlic and herb and the Cajun style. Just go ahead and throw them on there. Oh yeah, we on some nigga shit. It's late, you know. Bro had to work late. We getting it in late.
Oh, you see the time?
Yeah, man, just get that nice, good and seasoned up. What bro be saying? It ain't seasoned if you ain't sneezing. Hot chew, motherfucker. Oh shit, it just, hey, I don't know what the fuck be happening with my phone sometimes, bro. It just does shit. This motherfucker just start recording. But anyway.
This ain't even mine.
Behind the scenes.
Somebody gave me
this. Is what happens when niggas start making cooking videos and shit. Like, yeah, we be here when we doing this shit, bro.
Pretty much.
Two niggas.
Two niggas. The one not the two though.
I mean, it be, you know, Soul Slap G's and then Kerjack the Kid. It's one nigga, two niggas and one body.
Yeah, Samuel and Denzel. You don't know, I can't tell you.
Alright, now take a couple of these Evergoods, you know, all beef, hot link sausages. You know what I'm talking about? Like, y'all know. So, take some of them up and cut them into medallions.
Evergoods fine. What you think, like 1 or 2? 2?
2 will probably be good. Just, you got them chopped up. Just go ahead and throw it in a bowl. Don't mind him.
Don't mind him either.
Alright, bro, so take the onions, come throw it in here with the chicken.
Awesome too.
Don't mind that, you know, shit happens. Anything's possible. Yeah, baby, yeah, stir it around. Alright, so bam, now while that's going, we'll go ahead and throw this broccoli and cauliflower in the microwave to steam real quick. And bam, broccoli and cauliflower's in there steaming. We're gonna take these Evergoods right here and just go on ahead and throw them in there. Give it a stir so they get to the bottom. Alright, bam, so we got some little small peeled, deveined, tailed off shrimp. They already thawed out. You're just gonna take that bag and dump him in here. Alright, now go ahead and hit them with the seasonings again. Alright, bam, now that he's seasoned down, give him a stir. We're gonna let those shrimp cook. Alright, bro, so go ahead and take this Herdez. Bust him open and throw him in there. Give it a stir. That quieted down. We gotta take that second jar and throw them in there, and then we gonna bring it back up to a good bubble. Alright, bro, so Everything in there is cooked, so just get a salsa taste to see if it needs anything. But don't get the burnt lip. I ain't trying to how you doing that this time. Alright, so now bro just throw the broccoli and cauliflower in there. Then we'll turn the heat off and let that sit in there. And then we just go ahead and microwave Uncle Ben's plate and we done. After a long night of bloopers, this is where we at. It ain't the prettiest, but this shit good to the motherfucker. Okay, so now we to G's.
Yeah, man.
For the taste test reaction. What he do, nigga?
He do everything, man. What else y'all need to know? Cheat code.
Yeah, nigga, what he really do though? You fucking with him?
All of it, man. It's cheat code. Hey, man. You welcome in advance.
Straight like that, huh?
Straight like that. Like, what more you need, man? Like, you got the shrimp, you got the chicken, you got the sausage, you got the rice. Got the broccoli in there for people like me. That's for the, the meal prep. Everything you need at once. Look. If you like what you see, don't come to me. Go to the cheat code. You come to me, I'm charging $100 a plate for starters.
Straight the fuck out.
Mm-hmm.